Before you hit that buy now button for the Samsung S25, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. Is this the smartphone that's truly worth your hard-earned cash? Or are you about to make a $1,200 mistake? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know whether the Samsung S25 is a revolutionary upgrade or just another overpriced gadget riding the hype train. First things first, let's talk about what has everyone buzzing: the design. The Samsung S25 boasts a completely revamped look, with its ultra-slim profile, nearly invisible bezels, and that eye-catching new color palette. The flagship Mystic Titanium and Aurora Green shades scream premium, but there's one feature that really sets it apart: the adaptive holographic back panel. Yes, you heard that right. The back of the S25 can subtly shift colors depending on the angle of the light, but is this just a cosmetic gimmick, or does it justify the extra price tag? Let's dig deeper. Under the hood, the Samsung S25 is powered by the all-new Exynos 2500 processor, which claims to be 40% faster than its predecessor. In real-world terms, this means blazing fast app launches, smoother multitasking, and the ability to handle gaming at an entirely new level. During our testing, we ran some of the most graphically demanding games on the market, and the results were jaw-dropping. Zero lag, stunning visuals, and buttery smooth frame rates. But there's one catch that nobody's talking about, and it could be a deal-breaker. The S25 also introduces a brand new battery technology that promises a full day of heavy usage with just a 20-minute charge. Impressive, right? But here's where things get tricky. While the phone supports Samsung's proprietary UltraCharge tech, the charger capable of delivering that speed doesn't come in the box. That's right. You'll need to shell out an additional $50 for the fast charger, which feels like a sneaky way to drive up the real cost of the phone. And speaking of cost, let's address the elephant in the room: the price. At $1,199, the Samsung S25 is one of the most expensive smartphones on the market. Sure, it's packed with cutting-edge features, but are they features you'll actually use, or are you just paying for bragging rights? For example, the new Periscope Zoom camera is marketed as a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. It offers up to 200x zoom, which sounds incredible. But how often are you really going to need to zoom in on something that far away? Unless you're a professional photographer or a wildlife enthusiast, this feature might not be worth the hype, or the extra dollars. Let's talk about the display, because this is where Samsung really flexes its muscles. The S25 features a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 3X display with a stunning 240Hz refresh rate. Watching content on this screen feels like a cinematic experience, and scrolling through apps is so smooth it's almost hypnotic. But here's a little secret. Unless you're a hardcore gamer or someone who watches a lot of high frame rate videos, you might not even notice the difference between 120Hz and 240Hz. It's another one of those features that looks great on paper but might not have a huge impact on your everyday use. Now, here's where things get a bit controversial: the software. The S25 runs on Samsung's latest One UI 6, based on Android 15. While it's packed with new features, like customizable widgets and enhanced multitasking, it still suffers from the same bloatware problem that Samsung fans have been complaining about for years. Yes, you can uninstall most of the preloaded apps, but it's frustrating that you have to do this in the first place on a premium device. One area where the S25 truly shines is durability. Samsung has introduced an updated version of Gorilla Glass called Armor Shield, which is not only more scratch-resistant, but also significantly tougher against drops. We conducted a few drop tests from various heights, and the S25 came out with barely a scratch. This makes it an excellent choice for those of you who, like me, are a little clumsy with your gadgets. Before you make your decision, ask yourself this: what do you really need in a smartphone? If you're someone who values cutting-edge tech and can't resist being the first to own the latest gadget, the Samsung S25 is a no-brainer. But if you're looking for value for money, or don't need all the bells and whistles, you might want to hold off or explore other options. So, what's my final verdict? The Samsung S25 is undeniably one of the most advanced smartphones on the market right now, but it's not without its flaws. It's a premium device with a premium price tag, and while it delivers on most of its promises, there are a few compromises that might make you think twice. If you're still unsure, drop your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you decide. And remember, don't buy the Samsung S25 until you've watched this video again and really thought about whether it's the right phone for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.